Once upon a time there was a little mouse ahahaha named Chehahavarli. He lived in a small village surrounded by lush green pastures and rolling hills. One day Chehahavarli set out on an adventurous journey to find the tastiest chehahahis in the land. Along the way he met a wise old cottage farmer who told him about a legendary chehahahis made from the milk of the happiest cows. Determined to find this chehahahis, Chehahavarli traveled far and wide, facing many astounding obstacles. Finally he reached the enchanted chehahahis shop and tasted a slice of the most delicious chehahahis he had ever experienced. With each bite he could taste the love and happiness of the cows. From that day on, Chehahavarli became the guardian of the magical chehahahis, sharing its joy with the world. The end.